Hello everybody, my name is Jihan and welcome to my kitchen, and I will be making baked chicken in the grill. I'll take it outside, but right now I will take you on the steps what I'm gonna do first. I have chicken drums. You could double this recipe or make it for one person. This is a family meal. I already pre-washed first and soaked the chicken drums for about 30 minutes with white vinegar and water, just to take any extra stinky stuff from there. Okay, that's it. I didn't put any seasoning or anything. And for the vegetables, I have onions, carrots, tomatoes, sweet peppers, any color will do. I have the orange, and I also have potatoes. Okay. So right now, I'm gonna line up all the drums because they're gonna go on the grill for about an hour on a low heat, and until the vegetables is all cooked, and the chicken, of course, it will take an hour. Maybe the chicken you're using will take less, so just check after 30 minutes. The reason I am making outside, it's such a beautiful evening, and I don't want to barbecue, but I want some chicken on the grill. It tastes really good. I have made it before, and I like to make it again. Okay, so the onion, any onion will do. I know I have been away for almost 2 weeks. Unfortunately, we lost someone very special to the family member, and I had to take some time off. So, but I'm hoping I'm going back to the kitchen and making my recipes and sharing them with you guys. So I'm trying to go back to my old life. Anyway, I have the kitchen window open, and my neighbor's dogs are always barking. So if you hear any barking and stuff going on, those are not my dogs, my neighbors. Okay, so see what I'm gonna do? Okay, I'm not done. So this is actually the second step. Okay, lemon juice. You want to use fresh lemon juice or from the bottle, whichever you have on hand, it will be fine. And I really appreciate all the love and support you guys have shown me on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, TikTok. This is tomato sauce that I made at home, and you can use tomato sauce, tomato paste, whichever. Garlic powder, okay, soy sauce, reduce soy sauce, reduce sodium, okay, about a tablespoon or so of soy sauce. Okay, I'm gonna add the liquid and the spices here in the bowl. Cumin, a teaspoon. Allspice, just a dash, and some salt because I have not seasoned anything yet. So I'm gonna season a little bit here right now. Okay, and onion powder, garlic powder, whichever you guys would like to add. Any spices that you like. I don't have a specific plan or anything. This is tagine. I have made vegetables with tagine last time and it's really good. Baked chicken. Huh? So mix it well. I'll take this tray and I will cover it before I put it on the grill and leave it to cook for, like I said, an hour or so. Okay, make sure the grill is on the low setting. Okay, then you increase it the last maybe 5 minutes, uncover, and this is what it should look like. Okay, it smells so good. Okay, all right, so I'll cover with parchment paper. Right. See? Hold on, I forgot the olive oil. I'll get it back. Ow. Baby, what are you doing? Okay. Hold on, this one is empty. Alright. This is extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Cover it. Leave it on the grill for about an hour and I will see you then. Okay, you guys, welcome back. So the baked chicken took about an hour, probably in 10 minutes on the grill. And as you can see, beautiful. It's golden brown. Remember to put the grill on low, the lowest that you have, so you don't burn the food, because remember, we're baking this, all the vegetables. The smell is incredible. Highly recommend that you do the marinade that I showed you, and it is really good, really good. This is a really delicious dish that everybody will love, absolutely. My little one, he was munching on the sweet peppers. So, and the potatoes, they're all cooked through. Just be careful when you are handling this, because remember, it's hot. Okay?
It is?
Yes. Alright. Okay. Alright. So, I'll chop vegetables and put it on the side, but as you can see, it's a quick and delicious meal. Everything cooked really an hour or so, no more than that. An hour and 10 minutes worth of work. I came out with a beautiful dish. Give it a try. As always, thank you so much for watching and supporting my YouTube channel, Jihan's Cooking Show, and I will see you on my next video. I'll take a closer picture. Thank you. Bye bye.